Malacanang stresses that it is not the practice of the Aquino administration to use government funds to rule lawmakers into approving a piece of legislation. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte made the statement in the wake of a report that the palace might dangle funds for lawmakers in pushing for the passage of the proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law. Valte reiterated that the focus of the administration is on the merits of the BBL.
Wala hong PDAF. Baka sabihin gagamit kami ng PDAF. Wala na hong PDAF.
Walang pabaon.
Hindi ho uso sa Aquino administration yun.
Thank you.
Ang sinasabi po lagi ni Secretary Delis ay upuan nating lahat, tignan natin, pag-usapan natin. Kasi bukas kami sa mga pagbabago. Ang hinihingi lang namin, because we also expended the same amount of care and thoroughness when we were negotiating and crafting the CAB and the FAB, na hindi ho mag-introduce ng provision na parang papatay naman dun sa intention. So, contrary to some of the reports, bukas po tayo doon sa mga pag-amyenda. Ang hinihingi lang po natin ay ma-preserve naman yung spirit nung atin pong gustong mangyari.